Hi everyone, here's how you can copy data calculated in a watch list into Excel. So in this example I've got the ASX 200 with a number of columns calculating performance and percentage from moving averages, for example. But if we right click anywhere on the watch list, under actions, copy CSV values to clipboard. So I select that. So all that data is now copied and is in the memory of your computer. So if we go to Excel, blank worksheet, and then right click in A1 and then paste. Now you'll notice that it's all joined together because it's a CSV file. So we have to tell Excel to split the data up by the columns. So to do that, under the data menu, text to columns, and the little wizard pops up. So yes, it's delimited, click next, and it's comma delimited. So when we select that, we can hit finish, and then it will align everything into cells, and we can continue our analysis in Excel. Thanks very much. Any questions, please let us know.